Hi everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Susanna from 3D Printing Perth. We love to share our 3D printing knowledge with you. We hope you will enjoy our videos. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell button for all our future videos. Make sure to subscribe because we upload new content weekly. Also, check out our social media channels, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. For today's video, we will show you
how to assemble MINGDA Magician X2 in 3 steps. Take a look at what's inside the box. Here is everything you need to get started. We have the detailed instruction manual, handy toolbox, power cable. We have included a sample PLA filament, high-performance hot-end head, filament roll holder, the sturdy top frame, and lastly, we have the durable base. Step 1. Frame assemble. Place the base on a stable table and attach the frame to the top of the base securely. Double check that the frame and base align properly. Connect the cables from the frame to the base, ensuring a secure connection. Connect the stepper motor cables on both sides of the printer. Insert and tighten to screws on each side at the bottom of the printer. Attach the screws from the left and right sides to further secure the printer. Connect the heat bed cable and secure it with 2 screws. Step 2. Head assemble. Install the filament roll holder on the top of the printer. Open the package of the hot-end head and attach the hot-end head to the front of the printer's frame. Align it properly and insert the screws to secure the hot-end head in place. Make sure the screws are tight, but not overly. Once the hot-end head is securely attached, check all the screws to ensure they are properly tightened. Lastly, connect the hot-end head cable from the frame to the hot-end itself. Follow the designated cable path to ensure a proper connection. Step 3. Power on. Connect the power cable and switch on. Congratulations! With the installation completed, it's time for you to enjoy your 3D printing journey. Let your imagination soar as you unleash the endless possibilities of the MINGDA Magician X2.